All right, good morning, everybody. I hope everybody had a good day. GME short squeeze Monday turned out to be a really good day. Just one trade for me, and I'm done with it. So GME short squeeze. GME was gapping up about 10% in the pre-market. Actually, in the pre-market, it started running up. GME is the company that is famous for short squeeze of 2021, which was my favorite event of 2021. Back into 2021, you see the GME started a big short squeeze from almost $0 to $120 because of Wall Street bets and all the incidents that happened around it. So this company was gapping up this morning, while running up. Not a lot of volume, but turned out to be a really nice squeeze at the open. Jared was the person in the community who traded very nicely at the open, so he went long at right at the open, actually 31.20. Unbelievable entry on Jared. You can see it on my screen. And as you see, he just rode the momentum all the way up to $35. That's exactly like what I traded. But he got a much better entry. After the squeeze happened, I got the entry here. I was waiting to get the, to see the momentum is coming. So that's why I got into 32.50. Went up, I got, halted, 5 minutes halt. And after the halt, I just got out of it, all the way to $35. And now it's just coming down, and drop is so big that now it's going to get halted 5 minutes on the way down. So that was it for me. That was just one really good trade on GME. And I also had one trade on Apple that it was really nice. So Apple was gapping down. It did drop with the market, squeezed back up, and in this pullback on the VWAP, I just went long, popped up. I sold some for the break of high of the day, and it came down. And I kind of didn't like the fact that there is a doji here, so I got out of it completely. Now it's coming back up, climbing back up. But the fact that it's just below all of these moving averages, it's just, I don't like it. So Brian, any trades from you?
Yeah, no, I traded Meta, and unfortunately I lost on that first trade because it popped up pretty aggressively, and I thought it was going to keep going, but then it pulled back, so I took a loss on the first trade. But then I shorted Meta when it pulled back and started testing the Friday's low, and it just I kind of thought it just looked really weak, so it just eventually broke through there, and now we're just riding it down. So Meta's really weak today. Other than that, took a few other trades. I did trade a little bit of GME. I kind of scalped it. These ones make me nervous, but scalped it to make a little bit of money on that one, and still got a little bit of PBR, although it's still kind of grinding along, but it looks like it wants to go higher. So yeah, overall not bad day. Yar.
All right, yeah, so that was a pretty good day. So today I'm flying down to Florida, to Orlando. I'm gonna stay on one night in Orlando. I have a presentation tomorrow in Orlando. For those of you, I don't know how many of you are coming. I know some people are coming actually for the presentation in Orlando. I would appreciate that if you guys coming. And then after that, we drive down to Fort Lauderdale for our event tomorrow on Thursday. So, sorry, on Wednesday. So, yeah. So what I have here, if you come to Money Show, so the Orlando one. Oh, I don't have the title of the presentation here, but yeah. So the Orlando one, I'm gonna talk about how to use leverage and leverage products for day trading. So that's the title of the presentation. I would be happy to see some of you there, and then Wednesday would be our event in Fort Lauderdale. Looking forward to see you and many of our traders coming. All right, guys, thank you so much. I gotta go to the airport, and yeah, see you in Orlando. If not Fort Lauderdale, if not in the chat room, guys. I'm really looking forward to see over 100 of you guys. Cheers.